Stuck logging into Instagram? Here are quick fixes for the most common errors. If it says incorrect password, tap Forgot Password and choose Email or SMS Reset. Open the Reset link in your email, create a strong new password, and sign in. If Instagram asks for verification or shows challenge required, verify via SMS or email. When the app crashes or can't refresh, clear the app cache or update Instagram from the store. Still failing? Try logging in on a web browser to see if it's device specific. If two-factor codes won't arrive, use printed backup codes or request a login link. If your account was disabled, follow the on-screen appeal steps or visit Instagram Help Center. Check your internet, switch Wi-Fi, try mobile data, or restart your router and device. For persistent issues, log out of other sessions and change your password from a trusted device. Prevent future lockouts, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your recovery info up to date. Reset passwords, verify identity, check app and network, and keep backups. Visit Help Center for more.